a guide you to search for music on your Instagram. So let's search for the music. Open your Instagram, go to the search icon here. If you go to the search bar, you can search for either profiles or the accounts. You can search for tagged people. You can search for places. So let's search for the music right now. So if you need to search for any of the song, let me say I'm searching for time. If I tap on search, and here I can find the audio over there. So I can go for the audio, and here you can see all the songs that have related to the time and will be appeared here. Now, if you tap on life and time, see below this you can find the people who have made song or the video related to that reel. So if you scroll here, you can save the audio, or otherwise you can use that audio, or also you can send this to your followings or the followers or the specific people that you need. This is how you can search for music on Instagram. Thank you.